Hey, it's your boy Frost the Blocks. I made this song, and um, if you like it, share it on TikTok, any social media, so then people can listen to it. Okay, tough life. You know it's hard when you got no dad. All this anxiety going through my head feels like I'm stuck in an open den, but nobody cares. Whoa, whoa, but nobody cares. Yeah, it's hard when you got a tough life. Tough life. Just me, my mom, my sister said, oh, when you got a tough life. Whoa, whoa, I got a tough life. Yeah, so if you have no dad, ask for someone hand to hold, to hold on to. Um, yeah, but for context, I do have a father, but he went to his home country in Congo for a reason I don't know, but it feels like I have no dad and I haven't seen him for 3 years, and I don't know when he's coming back. And what it means by I'm stuck in an open den, it's the den is open but you still can't get out. So bye guys.